Hi, this is Shraddha Das and you're watching India Glitz. Today I'm going to speak about my movie Ray, which is releasing on 27th March, and I'm not nervous, I'm excited because I'm doing a brilliant role in the movie. I play the role of a Mexican-American pop star who is the villain of the movie, is a negative character.
నువ్వు పెట్టుకున్నది మామూలు ఆడదాంతో కాదురా అందమైన ఆడదాంతో
I have an equal characterization with the hero Sai Dharam Tej in the movie. And we are constantly fighting against each other in the film. The movie is basically this, that I am the #1 pop star in America right now, and I'm very ambitious and I don't want anybody else to come and win my title or come in the way of my fame. So whoever comes in the way, I will either kill them or remove them or create problems for them. It is obviously a very powerful, aggressive, strong character who gets angry very fast and has lots of negative traits. Also, the character, since she's a pop star, required to be very good at dance. Had a lot of dancing bits in the movie. Also, a very strong performance was required because the hero's characterization would only become big if my character gave him equal confrontation. So that is a thing, and I worked really hard for this film. Sir had kept me on boiled vegetables 2 months before, and then when I came there, I only lived on grilled chicken and orange juice and yoga, 1 hour yoga every day with only 4 hours of sleep and 16 hours of shooting. So I hope all that hard work, you will see it on screen. The costumes, makeup, hair, I think I had 250 to 300 costumes in the movie. Almost 100 types of different hairstyles, makeup, everything was given by YVS sir. I just had to follow him blindly, and you can see it on screen. Like every costume you will see, you will be like, it's so grand and glamorous. So that's why I said that I'm not nervous, I'm not scared, but I'm very excited to see this character.
So could you have any particular reason why you choosing a negative role?
See, I'm not in a position to basically choose right now. I think this character came to me. Basically, how I got this role is really weird. There is this movie called Mogudu which released in 2012, and I had done a song in it. I think the first time some actress wore a bikini here or something, and there was a big people even criticized me for it. Some people liked it, but Krishna Vamsi sir loved that song. So generally when he edits his songs, he calls YVS sir to see the songs. So this particular song, he was very excited, so he called YVS sir to see the song. He see how is this song looking. So sir went with his wife and saw the song, and he saw, and I remember he told me that he fell off his chair after seeing the song. He said he was auditioning many girls. He even called a girl from US or Bangkok who was already American for the character. Any auditions he took for the role. I think Amrita Patki, Miss India, was doing my role first, but they changed the heroine, Shubhra Ayappa, Amrita Patki, and then they took Sammy Kher, and he saw the song. He called me on the phone. He said that you are perfect for my Jenna character. The body language, the style, like Western heroines have, like Hollywood heroines have. You have the body language, the physique, the attitude. That is what I want for this character. So without even meeting me, without even calling me to Hyderabad, on the phone I signed the movie. I heard the story, I heard the character. Even remuneration we discussed on the phone, and just signed the film and straight away came for the photo shoot. So that is how this movie happened. And
Jenna.
So your job is a pop singer, Mexico pop singer, right? And so honestly, pop singer is his body language, attitude, absolutely it's a different. So how to adapt to that?
See, I think that generally, for example, if you want to be like a particular character, like suppose I want to have a style of Jennifer Lopez in me, I believe you have to see her videos 500 times at least. Once you start seeing something again and again and again and again, that characterization will automatically come in your body naturally. So I used to see all these pop star videos again and again and again. I used to see Beyonce, I used to see Jennifer Lopez, Rihanna, Britney Spears. All these pop stars videos I used to see. How do they move? How do they look? What expression they give? How do they talk in public? How do they dress up and come out? What attitude they have? So I used to see those videos. Like even for Mogudu song, I remember I had seen one Jennifer Lopez song almost 500 to 600 times. Similarly for this role, I had seen all these videos lots of times. So you will feel like really she is a pop star. She is a diva when you see the movie.
YVS Chaudhary, this is the first film.
My first
Yeah.
film. Yeah.
So what's exactly your relation?
So this is my first film with YVS Chaudhary sir. He is known to show heroines very beautifully. He had shown Ilyana very beautifully in Devdas. And he knows what is the plus point of the heroine and how to show that nicely on screen. While we were shooting, everybody knows YVS sir is very, very passionate, patient and perfectionist. He wants it to be perfect. So he will take time. Even if it takes time, he will still take time and shoot the film. Sometimes I used to get irritated that, oh God, it is taking so long. Why, like I remember I used to come on set in the morning at 8, but we would give the first shot at lunch because sir would say that no, the costume is not correct. No, the makeup is not correct. Get it correct. It should be perfect. Hair should be perfect. This is how she should look. Or if my fitness was not there for a scene, he would say, no, you cannot shoot this scene today. First you go, lose all that weight and then come and shoot the scene. That time, when you're an actor on the set, you feel sometimes you lose your patience, but later you realize that when you see it on screen and the pictures, you look so good and your performance comes out so well that you feel like thanking him. Even with newcomers, he has lots and lots and lots of patience. I think he should open YVS School of Acting because whoever comes here as a newcomer for sure will go out learning brilliantly from him. So, and for me personally, the way he has shown me in the movie, I don't think anybody else will ever be able to show me like that, and people will be shocked to see a completely new Shraddha in this movie.
Like, you have a lot of experience previously done movies, lot of movies. But Sai Dharam Teja is the first movie. So, are you giving any suggestions or like Sai Dharam Teja?
And give him suggestions? No. See, Sai Dharam Tej comes from a really big family, and yes, I did have experience, but I never tried to show it off on the set, even in front of director. Yeah, director, I would quietly go and give suggestions, but I would never give the hero or Sayami, I would never give any advice. But yes, I used to not, like for example, when you're new, you take many takes. So if the newcomers take takes, I would never show irritation. I would still stand there quietly and wait until the person finishes his lines and everything. So in that way I was supportive, but no, I mean I can't give suggestions to the hero. That is not correct.
Gangster of Jamaica!
Actually, you are a good dancer. Working experience with Sai is also a good dancer.
See, I am not a naturally good dancer since I was a kid. In school, nobody would take me in any function because I could not dance after 4 steps, I could never catch fast movements and do all that. So, in my entire school and college life, nobody let me dance on stage. But over the years, I think once you dance in Telugu cinema, you can dance anywhere, the kind of steps you get. And I did a lot of shows also, so I got more and more experience. But even today, whenever any step is given to me on the set, firstly I ask for rehearsals one day before, and if there is no time for rehearsals, then on the set, before the shot is getting ready, I will practice the step at least 20, 30, 40, 50 times until I don't get it correct. Because once the shot is ready, I don't like to waste the time of the director and producer and waste everybody's time. So I want that the shot should happen in 1 or 2 takes. So that is why I practice the steps 50, 60 times and then I go and shoot it. And obviously, like I said, it's both. I'm playing a pop star and Sai is from mega family where they all are very good dancers. So I have to match up to him because we are in a competition against each other, and I am presently in the movie number 1. So my dance has to be that great. So like I said, I practiced a lot, really, really hard, and it was not easy at all. But I managed somehow, and I hope people like it.
Apart from mega family, what you find special on Sai?
I think Sai is number 1, extremely hardworking, because when he came in the film, he himself has said in interviews that he did not know anything, where to look, how to face the camera, what to say, how to say the line. So I have seen him, like, you see a small kid grow into a 10 standard intelligent child. So I've seen him grow from like up, and his acting and dancing is very, very good. right now. You know, as the film progressed, he worked harder and harder. I think he was even little plump when the movie started. So he lost a lot of weight. He worked on his acting, on his dancing. Though he's naturally a good actor and dancer, but when you come in front of the camera, it does not help. You have to have practice. So I think he worked really hard, and you will see it in the movie when you see, especially the climax song will shock you when you see the song. It's an 8-minute, 10.5 minute song. Half is theirs, half is mine. His is an 8-minute part actually, and you will be like, oh my god, what dancing. So that's how.
Already you know karate and some Kufu.
Already
you are learned also. So how it's helpful?
No, I have trained in action, kickboxing and sword fighting and everything for 5 years. From an action director. Like generally when you do kickboxing, I've trained from an action director named Kaushal Moses, who have done all the Abbas Mustan films like Race and all the earlier films. I think even Hero Panti they have done. So for 5 years I went there. So generally when you learn kickboxing or karate, they only teach you to do with some other person. But when you learn action for the screen. So when you have to block a person, you know that how much hand should be there, till which length your hand should be there. Or when you block, how should your hand go? Or when you punch, how should it come? So all those things I learned. So in front of the camera, when you normally fight, you will not know that how the camera should capture your punches or your kicks, how your leg should go up or how straight your leg should be. So all those things I learnt in action, but it was a mixture of all sorts of fight, from karate to kickboxing to taekwondo. So I have learnt a mix of that for camera.
How it helps in this movie with your character?
No, I had learned that action for my fun sake. I love doing all these things. For my fitness, I had earlier done. When I came into Telugu industry, I was very, very fat in my earlier movies. So I wanted to lose that weight, which was not going somehow or the other. It was all baby fat. So with that action classes, I lost a lot of weight. And then till today, I have not put on weight. Now I do yoga, I don't do action. But in this movie, the character is very aggressive. Like, suppose if she's showing the gun to the villain or the hero or the heroine, so generally a normal girl will do it like, she'll pick up like that. So if I do it like that, so it has to be with that kind of, so if you have learnt action, that force that will come in your body language for the character.
So do you know the meaning of Ray?
Ray, like they have said, the tagline is shout for success. Also, Ray can be said in different ways. Like you can say Ray and you can call somebody, or you can say Ray and you can say Ray in all different ways. So basically, these people's band name is Ray in the movie, and that band is in the movie competing against my character, who is Jenna.
Jenna, goddess of America!
Hi, this is Shraddha Das. Our Ray movie is coming on 27th March. Please, please, please support us.